Hi all, Rene here. I have this month's Sew Sampler box to unbox for you. If you've never seen these before, these are from the Fat Quarter Shop. And, excuse me. So the theme this month is Rise and Shine, the August 2020 box. So let me look and see what the coupon is. The coupon is save 30% off. It's Sew Emma foundation paper pads, Pineapple, Economy Plus, or Log Cabin. And the coupon is good through October 20. So there's that. Here's our little paper that tells us everything that is in here so we know the value of each thing. We'll move that out of the way. This is a 5.5-inch square rotating cutting mat. You know, I have seen Kimberly use this on YouTube, and I've been very curious about it. She used one that was, I think, 12 by 12. So that actually does work pretty good. And it doesn't slide too much. I mean, it slides a little bit, but not horribly. So that'll be kind of nice because then you can turn it to trim each of the sides. You could also just turn it like this too if you wanted, but that's kind of nice that it's rotating like that. And the value on this is $14.98. And it says, yes, it's also available in a 12.5-inch square. So really nice. It's got a cushy bottom. Nice. Okay. Let's look at the fabric. So the fabric, you get two of them. The fabric is Backyard Blooms Charm Pack, Allison Harris for Wyndham Fabrics. And the value of the fabric is $19.96. So I'll put one aside and then we'll go ahead and look at one. I probably don't even need to take the little thing off to be able to flip through it. Looks like you get two of each piece. That's nice. I like that one. I like these flowers. They're really pretty. Oh, plaids. I see them. Oh, there's only two of them. Bummer, man. These are okay. They're not my favorite, but they're okay. And some dotted circles. A couple different colors. 3 colors. 4 colors. Oh, and now we've got some words. What do we have? Blessings, family, imagination, fresh, daisy, homemade, joy, inspire, together, patchwork. Oh, there's one. I think this is chickens. Which I'm not surprised because there's a chicken right here that there's not going to be some chickens here. And there they are. Oh, cute. Cute, cute. And then we've got some more florals, kind of a larger floral print. And then those last two. And then this one is exactly the same. So we've got two of those. Get rid of those little things. We've got some quilting betweens. These are drits. There's 20 needles. You can always use needles. Let's see what this is. Crazy Quilt Paper by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet. 5x5, 42 pieces. Oh, this is for paper piecing. Let's see what we get here. Let's take out the instructions. So here's the paper. Okay, it's paper piecing. It looks like for a crazy blocks, crazy quilts. I've always thought crazy quilts were always so pretty. I've always really loved them. We were in Hawaii once, and we went on a tour of Queen Liliuokalani's palace. And while she was imprisoned in her own house, she made a quilt, and it's a crazy quilt, and it has all kinds of different fabrics in it and embroidery and just all kinds of really, really neat messages. So I always really liked crazy quilts. Okay, so here's our pattern. Okay, it looks like you're going to use those crazy quilt pieces here in the middle of the stars and in these set corner pieces. So there's 2 size options included. So let's see what we got here. So for the lap version, you need the 2 charm blocks that they gave you. You need the crazy quilt paper, 1 5/8 background, and 5/8 yards binding. And that's not bad. And then 3 1/8 for backing. And it doesn't have any borders or sashing on it. And then for the twin size, you can make one for a twin bed. You need 5 of the charm packs. So you have to buy 3 more charm packs. And you'd need 3 3/4 yards background, 3/4 yards binding, and 5 1/8 yards of backing. And then, of course, the quilt papers. Now, the quilt papers, there's 42 of these. And let me see how many you need. So you need to make 13 of these units for the lap size and 32 for the twin. So you would have enough of these if you wanted to make the twin size, but you would not have enough to make both. So if you were to grab some different fabric, you'd need some more of these. So, but that's pretty cool. I like that pattern a lot. It's really pretty. And let's see. I'm not holding out much hope that, let's see. It's not horrible. Not horrible. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. There you go. So that's track number 5 of the Greatest Hits album quilt. Again, I'm just not into the solid color quilts, and I have a hard time seeing it in my head of how it would look. So, well, that is everything that's in the box. So overall, I think this is a great box. I really like the fabric. I really like the pattern. This is awesome. I can't wait to play with this and see how I like it. And if it turns out I like it, I may buy the bigger one. That might be, the whole plan all along. And you've got the needles, which definitely are useful. Oh, and I forgot to give you the value. The value on the needles is $1.48. Not bad at all. Oh, that's not bad. These crazy quilt papers are only $4.48. That's not bad at all. And then the Crazy Quilt Daisy pattern, or Crazy Daisy quilt pattern, is $9.98, and then the Greatest Hits is $4.98. So really good value for the cost of the box. So if you have any questions or any comments about your box, if you got your box, what you think of it, I think this box stepped it up a bit. I had been a little concerned in the last few months because they just didn't seem to be the same value that I was expecting, or just the same feel of the boxes. I don't know why that was, but this one, I think they did a really good job on this one. I really am liking it. So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. I hope you liked the video. And if you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you subscribe. And if you hit the bell, it will send you a little notification up in the top corner of the YouTube app, letting you know that I have posted a video. And otherwise, just have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.